The Adventure of the Add to Basket API. Once upon a time in the bustling digital marketplace of Shopville, there was a brilliant programmer named Alex. Alex had created a magical Add to Basket functionality for the town's online store. This feature allowed shoppers to effortlessly add items to their virtual baskets with a simple click. The townsfolk loved it and used it every day. To share this magic with everyone, Alex decided to create an API, Application Programming Interface. This API acted like a mystical portal, allowing users from all over Shopville to send requests to add items to their baskets and receive confirmations in return. It was a huge success. At first, Alex hosted the API on their own computer, but soon problems arose. The computer needed to be connected to a database and configured correctly. What if there was a power outage? The townsfolk would be unable to add items to their baskets, causing chaos in Shopville. Alex knew they needed a more reliable solution. One day, Alex heard about the Cloud Kingdom, a realm where powerful servers were always available. By paying a small fee, Alex could use these servers to run the Add to Basket API. The Cloud Kingdom, ruled by the mighty Amazon Web Services, AWS, promised to handle all the configurations, ensuring the API was always up and running. As more and more people in Shopville used the API, Alex faced a new challenge. The single server couldn't handle all the requests. Alex had two options: vertical scaling, upgrading to a larger, more powerful server. This would process requests faster, but had a single point of failure. Horizontal scaling, adding more servers to distribute the load. This provided resilience and better scalability, but involved managing slower network communications and data consistency. Alex decided to use a hybrid approach. They started with vertical scaling, making the server as powerful as possible. As the user base grew, Alex transitioned to horizontal scaling, adding more servers to handle the increasing load. This way, the API could handle more requests and was resilient to failures. Alex knew that designing a system required balancing several factors. Scalability. Could the system handle increasing loads? Resilience. Could the system recover from failures? Consistency. Was the data consistent across all servers? In the end, Alex created a robust system that was scalable, resilient, and consistent. The Add to Basket API continued to enchant the townsfolk of Shopville, making their shopping experience seamless and enjoyable. Alex became a hero, known for their ingenuity and dedication to creating a magical shopping experience. And so, the story of the Add to Basket API became a legend in Shopville, inspiring future programmers to create their own magical solutions. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to share them. Thank you for joining this adventure into system design. For more exciting tales, hit the subscribe button. See you next time.